Okay, this video is to show how to add a B-size architectural title block from D2L to an AutoCAD drawing. So here we have our AutoCAD drawing, and then the standard layout is just these layout pages, and you can delete them by right-clicking and saying delete. You can add a template by hitting the plus mark, and it'll just add a template page. Or you can right mouse click and say from template, and then you can download one. So we're going to go and download one and use from template. So we'll go into D2L, go into our Basic AutoCAD course, under Content, Title Blocks, we'll take the DWT file for the B-size architecture, and we'll just put it in the downloads. Switch back to AutoCAD, and then we'll right-click from template. We're going to go to our downloads. That's where I put mine. And there it is. So we can open that. And you'll get the other layout tabs if you want them. And so you'll get these, and you can rename them if you wanted to. And so the floor plan one is fine. And then we have a couple other layout tabs for an elevation and then a section. I'm just going to take all three. We'll say OK. And there we have our floor plan tab. And I think it has the other ones, but it's not showing them. And then what we do is we double click in the viewport. Mine seem to have worked pretty well. And then you can, if you cannot find your geometry, you can always go View, Zoom, All, or you can double click the middle mouse wheel. We want to leave this at a scale that's measurable. So this number here is not a measurable scale. And so we'll start with 1/4 of an inch equals a foot. And then we'll blow that up a little bit, use more of the paper. And then we'll lock that viewport by clicking on the lock. All right, that's how to put a title block onto an existing drawing. That completes this video.